methods. First method is 11 to 19. One on 10th place. Okay. 16 cube. अभी ध्यान देना ठीक से. 1 अगर 10th प्लेस पे है तो जहाँ से 1 शुरू होता है वहीं से हम शुरू करेंगे. 1 6. Okay, write the number 1 6. Now this is square of 6 over here. 6 6 are 36, and cube of 6 over here, that will be 3 2 1 6. Okay, cross over here and double this number 6 6. Okay, now एडिशन में ध्यान देना सब लोग, प्लीज एडिशन में ध्यान देना. स्ट्रेट 1 ओवर ईयर 6. 21 दोनों नंबर के ऊपर ऐसे लिखना है, कैरी. ओके, नाउ 6 एंड 1 को 6 के साथ ऐड करना है. 6 एंड 1 7 8 9. 9 इधर लिखा हमने, 9 हमने लिखा. नाउ नेक्स्ट नंबर हम प्लस करेंगे, वो हम सीधा कैरी में जाने देंगे. 7 and 3 10 10 11 12 both here. Okay, now here 2 and 6 and plus 2, that is 10. So 0 and 1 over here, carry here only. Now 1 2 3 3 direct here. 3 and 1 is 4. ओके, आया समझ में? शिवम, क्या? My video is on recording. Okay, I am showing your faces in the video. Okay, next method. (21, 31 till 91). 1 on 1 place. First we did 1 on 10th place. Now we are doing second method, 1 on 1's place. 1 1's के प्लेस से शुरू होता है और जहाँ 1 है वहीं से हमें शुरू करना है. (41 cube). Okay, 1 here, 4 here. Now square of 4 here and cube of 4 here. 4 4s are 16 and 4 cube, that is 3 times 4, multiply 3 times 4, 64. Okay, now cross over here. Double of 4 is 8, double of 16 is 32. 1 4 plus 8 is 12, 2 here and 1 carry. 6 7 8 9. 3 and 1 4 carry. 4 and 4 8. and 6 bring down. This is your answer. Okay? Go slowly, step by step. Okay? This is second method. Okay? देव कैलकुलेशंस में ध्यान रखना है. ओके? कैलकुलेट करते हो, प्लस करते हो, तब ध्यान रखो ये नंबर जो प्लस हम नहीं करते पर वो हम प्लस करके डायरेक्ट कैरी करते हैं. ओके? शैल आई रब? Third method is double numbers. 11, 22, 33 till 99. That is digits. Okay? Cube of 7 is? Come on, cube of 7. Only 7, I am not asking 77. I am asking only 7. Cube of 7 is? Yes. Now, directly we have to put cube. Directly we have to put the cube of 7. 3, 4, 3. 3, 4, 3. Okay? Direct you have to put the cube of 7 in double digits. Cross here. Double of this number. Now there are so many digits. Addition, do it properly, and carrying, do properly, otherwise it will go wrong. Only 3 will come here. 34 will go in carry. 6 and 4 10 and 3 13. 3 here, 1 carry. 8 and 4 12. 13 13 and 3 16. 16, that is 6 and 1 carry. 6 and 3 9 and 1 10. So 106 will go in next carry. Here 106 total will come here. Okay? Again 6 and 6 12. 12 plus 3 15. 1 carry 5. Already we carried 106. एक बार carry किया, इसके ऊपर और carry. Now 8 and 4 12 and 1 13. Put here 13 and 3 I'll write and 1 I'll carry. 8 and 4 12 and 1 13. So 3 I'll write and 1 carry. Then 6 and 3 and 1, that is 10 and 11. So I'll put here 1 1 3. That will go here in carry. 1 1 3. Only 5 here. This all digits I added and carried. 3 and 3 6. 4 and 1 5. 3 and 1 4. 4 5 6. 4 5 6 5 3 3. Take care and do it very neatly and very keenly. Additions, if you do mistake, then answer will go wrong. Yes, got it all of you? Fourth method will go, that is different digits. 24, 22, 23, 35, 46, left all digits. Different digits which are left till 99. 1 to 99 left, all digits will come here. Now 23. Now 4 places. Now here 2. Cube of 2 is 8. Cube of 3 is 27. Yes, 2 cube over here, 3 cube over here. Okay. Now these middle two numbers, what we will do? Pay attention. Square of 2. 2 into 2, that is 4. Into this next number 3. 4 3s are 12. 3 square into 2. Here it will come 3 square into 2. 3 square is 9. 9 2s are 18. आया समझ में? 2 cube is 8. Then 3 cube 27 over here. Now middle we have to do 2 square into 3. 2 square and 3, that is 4 3s are 12. And 3 square into 2, that is 9 2s are 18. Second step is same. Cross over here, double these two. 18 double is, double of 18 is 36. Double of 12 is 24. Okay, good. Now add this number. 7. 2 carry. 8 and 2 10 and 6 16. 1 carry. 6 over here. 3 and 1 and 4 and 1 5. Direct carry. 5 and 4 9 10 11. 1 carry, 1 down. 2 and 1 3 and 1 4 carry over here. 8 and 4 is 12. Who got this answer? राशि अपना व्हाइट बोर्ड स्क्रीन पे लाओ. चलो व्हाइट बोर्ड. Yes, do 26 cube. 26 cube. Yes, correct. Next 6 square into 2. We are doing that sum. 2 cube is 8. 6 cube is 216. Then 2 square into 6. 2 2s are 4. 4 6s are 24. And here it will come 6 square into 2. 6 6 are 36. 36 into 2 is 72. Cross these two places. Now double of 72 is 4 and 7, 14. 4, 8 and 2 is 4. Okay? Addition, bring down 6. 21 will go in carry. 4, 5, 6 and 1, 7. 7 and 6, 13. 3 and 1 carry. That is 1 and 1, 23. 23 will go in carry. 8 and 4, 12. 13, 14, 15. 1 carry and 5 down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 will go in carry. 8 and 9 will become 17. That is 1, 7, 5, 7, 6. Yes, Siddharth, your answer is correct. 1, 7, 5, 7, 6. I'll just see the chat 2 minutes. Okay. Next one. We'll do little bigger number. $49 cube. Come on first. Who is giving me answer? Who wants to come on the screen? Cube of 4 is 64. Cube of 9 is 729. 4 square into 9. 4 4s are 16. 16 9s are 9 square into 4. 9 9s are 81 into 4. 3 2 4. Okay. 117649. Yes, Ujjwal, your answer is correct. Now doubling these two. 8, 4 and 6. 4 4 8, 4 4 8, 1 1 2. Slowly go down. 9. 72 will go up. 8 and 2 10 and 4 14. 1 carry, 4 down. 7, 8, 9, 10 and 4, 14. So 1 and 4 I am writing here directly carry. Then 6 and 3, 9 and 10 directly I will carry here. Okay. 8 and 8 is 16. 1 year and 6 years. 8 and 4, 12 and 1, 13. So 1, 3, 13 together here. I'll put 3 here and 1 over here. 1 and 1 2 and 1 3 and 4 5. 5 carry here. 4 and 3 7. 6 and 5 11. 1 1 7 6 4 9 is your final answer. 49 cube. So did you understand all the four methods of cube? Again, for 11 to 19, that is 1 on 10th place, we did from 1. Okay. Then second method was 21, 31, 41, that is 1 on 1's place. From where the 1 starts, will go ulta, that is from right hand side. Then third we did cube, that is 11, 22, double digits. Okay, direct you have to write cube of the digit. Fourth is 24, 23 till 1 to 99 remaining numbers will come here. Okay, 49 cube, that is 4 cube here, 9 cube here. Middle number is square into this second digit, and third number here square of 99 into 4, and then doubling this two. Okay, all of you? देव कोई डाउट है? एनीबडी एनी डाउट? किसी को भी डाउट है? हाँ